Printing remains a critical backbone for small businesses, influencing professional presentation, workflow efficiency, and document security. When choosing an all-in-one printer for a small team, you must balance speed, running costs, media handling, reliability, and feature sets such as duplexing, networking, and mobile compatibility.
List number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 8125E Wireless All-in-One Color Inkjet Printer. The OfficeJet Pro 8125E targets home offices and small teams needing professional color for reports, presentations, and marketing materials. It offers print speeds up to 10 ppm color and 20 ppm black, automatic duplex printing, a 225-sheet input tray, and a 2.7-inch touchscreen. It includes HP Plus with a 3-month instant ink trial, wireless and Ethernet connectivity, and a focus on secure printing via HP Wolf Essential Security. The combination of AI-assisted print formatting and HP Plus ecosystem positions this model as a cost-effective, office-friendly color inkjet with subscription-driven ink delivery. Performance-wise, the 8125E delivers solid color accuracy suitable for business documents and basic marketing handouts. The 225-sheet capacity reduces reloads in a small office, and the auto duplex feature lowers paper costs. However, inkjet color can be less durable on high-volume professional prints compared with laser, and long-term running costs depend on the instant ink plan and actual page yield. Users should expect a straightforward app experience for mobile printing and scanning with security features that align with modern network requirements.
List number 2. HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP 3301 SDW Wireless. The 3301 SDW is a compact color laser multifunction with a 250-page input tray, automatic duplex, and 2 USB ports plus Ethernet. It targets small teams requiring fast, high-clarity color output with robust toner-based economics and enterprise-minded reliability. It promises up to 30 ppm color and monochrome, TeraJet toner improvements for vivid color, and an all-in-one experience with scanning and copying at office-ready speeds. In practice, the 3301 SDW excels in producing professional color documents quickly with the benefit of toner-based longevity and predictable long-term costs relative to inkjets. Scanning and copying are solid for routine office workflows, and the dual USB and Ethernet interfaces make it adaptable to varied network setups. A potential consideration is the total cost of ownership, including toner replacement cycles and available tray capacity, which may be advantageous for mid-sized teams with higher monthly page volumes. The device is best for teams prioritizing fast color output and reliable laser performance in a compact footprint.
List number 3. Brother DCP L2640DW Wireless Compact Monochrome Multifunction. The DCP L2640DW is a compact monochrome laser MFP designed for small offices that mostly print in black and white but still need scanning and copying. It features print speeds up to 36 ppm, a 50-page auto document feeder, automatic duplex, Ethernet and USB, and a robust mobile app ecosystem. It emphasizes high-volume monochrome throughput in a small footprint with Ethernet and wireless networking. Performance-wise, the 2640DW delivers rapid monochrome output and capable scanning in a 2-in-1 package, making it ideal for billing, contracts, and internal memos. The 50-page ADF reduces manual handling for multi-page documents, and the 36 ppm speed supports busy periods. While color is not supported, the device is energy efficient and reliable for office tasks. The user experience is aided by Brother Mobile Connect and cloud printing options, though color expansion would require a different device.
List number 4. Epson EcoTank ET2800 Wireless Color All-in-One. The ET2800 is a cartridge-free super tank color inkjet aimed at cost-conscious offices that print in color but don't demand ultra-fast speeds. It uses refillable ink tanks with a bundled ink supply designed to last long, and it offers color printing, scanning, and copying via USB and Wi-Fi. With a rated 5 ppm color and 10 ppm black, it focuses on low running costs and high page yields rather than rapid-fire output. In day-to-day use, the EcoTank's big advantage is ink cost per page and long-term sustainability, with claims of up to 4,500 black and 7,500 color pages per bottle set and up to 2 years of ink in the box. The trade-offs are slower per-page speed, slightly larger footprint, and potentially more hands-on maintenance to refill bottles cleanly. For teams printing marketing materials, forms, invoices, and internal documents with a premium on total ink spend, the ET2800 provides compelling value. The user experience benefits from straightforward refill processes and an eye-catching running cost advantage over cartridge-based rivals.
List number 5. Brother WorkSmart 1360 Wireless Color Inkjet. The MFC J1360DW targets home offices and small businesses with a compact color inkjet all-in-one featuring automatic duplex, a 1.8-inch color display, and a refresh subscription trial. It emphasizes cloud app connectivity for mobile printing and a reasonably affordable price point. It supports color printing, copying, and scanning with USB, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet options, making it versatile for mixed-use environments. Performance-wise, the J1360DW balances speed and usability, delivering up to 9 ppm color and 16 ppm black under practical workloads with a 150-sheet tray and 20-page ADF. The refresh subscription can help manage ink costs, and the device's compact size makes it suitable for small desks or shared workspaces. The user experience is enhanced by the Brother Mobile Connect app and page gauge for ink monitoring. A potential downside is that color print quality and long-term running costs can be higher than laser or EcoTank options if you print a lot of color graphics.